Oh my god. Does this look like a sink or what?
How's it make you feel?
This is so exciting. Wow, this looks so good in here. I'm Jamie and this is Dan. We're two frugal dreamers trying to turn this 1997 International Fire Crew transport bus into the mobile tiny home of our dreams. And you've got a front row seat to all the highs, lows, and moments in between on this wild ride we call bus life. Hey, today I am working on countertop. We got a free countertop.
It's free real estate.
With the IKEA cabinets that we found on the side of the streets of Portland, and it was a little rough around the edges, so I'm gonna attempt to do a cool little pour paint design on top, and then I'm going to epoxy seal it down the road.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
It is January and it is a sunny weekend in Portland, so we are lucky to be able to do some more outdoor projects. And this is definitely an outdoor messy project. First thing, I just need to get all the paints with Floetrol to get a good consistency. I did a couple of practice rounds yesterday. They turned out okay.
Okay.
So we are just gonna go with it, and if it looks bad, it looks bad. And that's kind of where I'm at in the build.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I missed not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems.
All right, we are getting ready to cut our countertop. Any other updates?
Gonna cut it real good. It's gonna be a big cut, and we're gonna do it right.
I measured everything and Dan's cutting it, just for the record.
Yeah, Jamie set everything up, and I'm gonna come in and
Just
hit
do
it
it.
home, you know, do it.
This is a verb. First cut, done. Today I am going to try to finish the countertop. So as a reminder, I did a pour paint. That was about 2 months ago now. I initially want to finish this with an epoxy pour, a clear epoxy pour for durability, and it just ended up being too expensive to do this whole countertop in epoxy. It would have been probably between $50 to $80, and so we just made the decision to finish it with a poly. This probably costs about $13, so a lot more cost effective, and you can poly on top of acrylic paint. It is best practice to wait for that acrylic paint to cure, so that typically takes about a month. So since we did this pour paint 2 months ago, I'm feeling pretty confident that it is ready to poly. And the other thing is I have 2 days of no rain in Portland, which is rare considering it's March. And yeah, I need to just like use these days to my advantage. So let's get this ready. I'm using kind of like a sticky cloth to get all the dirt particles. So it's a tack cloth that I'm using. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first coat done. Probably gonna try to do a couple more today as well, and then call it on the counter. Got the second coat on there, and I just have to say that I'm super happy with this. There was definitely a moment in time where we considered getting kind of a pricey butcher block because I wasn't super happy with how this was turning out, but we decided this is our first build, and we wanted to use, you know, cheaper materials because we're still learning, and when we redo it, you know, one day in the future we can splurge on different materials. But for now, I think getting this countertop for free, we really didn't upcycle. Okay, we are going to try cutting the countertop today. Yay! Yesterday we were working on some finishing touches type stuff, so Dan was working on the finishing up the battery box and getting that pretty secure, and I was working on some final panel touch-ups and cutting a few final bits and pieces there. Yeah, so we're definitely getting really close to being done with everything, and yeah, today is a big day.
We're gonna cut the sinkhole.
Yeah, this countertop has been a long process in the making. Months, and we started this in January. It's the end of March. So what we are going to do is obviously make the template, and then I think we're gonna drill into the corners and then jigsaw through that and hope it fits.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Yay, it looks so good. That looks, oh my god, that looks so good. Oh, this countertop looks great. We've been in Hawaii for the past week, and then the week before Hawaii, we were mostly prepping to go to Hawaii, so we didn't get a lot of truck work done. So now it's back to work, and we want to get a big task done today or this weekend, and that is going to be the countertop. So I think that's really going to change kind of the feel of this place and feel a lot more finished. And like Dan was saying, we already have prepped the entire countertop with how we've decorated it, with cutting out the sinkhole, and with finishing it with poly. So we don't have too much more to go on it. But first, we need to clean this space up just a little bit. I want your help in pushing this down because I just don't want to ruin it.
Yeah, actually, we might want to.
Alright, we got a problem. We didn't really count for this bar in here before cutting the sinkhole. And now back to the drawing board, I think, which is a real bummer. Sucks. Looks really good in here though. The problem has been solved. It's just magic. I go on a walk with Cashew and all of a sudden things are fixed.
Just like magic.
It's just magic.
Crazy how that happens.
Crazy. Can I help?
I don't know. Gluing all this stuff in. We're getting it ready for glue.
Wow, problem freaking solved. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah. So we have to put some glue down.
Looks amazing.
Looks great.
Oh my god. Good job. Nice. Whoa. Is it just so like, do we want to put like a battery on top of it or something?
Wow!
Oh my god! Does this look like a sink or what? Oh my god. Can we just keep the sink in for now?
Yeah. How's it make you feel?
This is so exciting. Wow, this looks so good in here.
I really like the dark.
It actually like matched, obviously I used the same paint.
Yeah.
But it looks really good.
Looks awesome, baby.
Oh my gosh. Wow, this changes things. I want to get the top one in too, but we can't yet because I don't know what we're doing with those wires.
Yeah, I still need to finish the plugs.
Yeah.